Hi, my name is Juan Betancourt. I'm CEO of Humantelligence. Welcome to HT Coach, AI for the Future of Work. This platform transforms leadership, collaboration, talent management, and L&D for all 100% of employees instantly in one day. It's a very powerful AI bot feature that's simple and it's elegant, and it's integrated into everyday workflows of all of your employees through Microsoft Teams, Outlook, Slack, and Zoom. It's fun, it's easy to use. It's consumer-like interface. It's kind of Google meets ChatGPT, that little bar, where you can ask any question around any person, team, or division about your company. And imagine asking and getting personalized answers regarding leadership of people, collaboration, team dynamics and how to run a team better, communication tips, group or divisional culture answers, and solving all interpersonal workplace relationships or conflicts. Let me go ahead and show it to you. I think you'd be quite excited to see it. So you can actually pull it up through either a portal like this, and you will see here the HT Coach there, and then this window will open up where you can search anyone by name and find them in the company or a team. You can ask your questions here, or you can go through Microsoft Teams and find the person here and the HT Coach and click there. And so you open it up and you can have categories of questions that you can ask, such as these here. Each category has about 6 questions, or you can simply ask the question on your own, like you do in ChatGPT, and type it in. So let's look at some of these questions. For an individual, let's say I don't know Mark. He's from a different division. He's coming from England to work with me in Tennessee, and I want to know, what it's like to work with Mark, and what brings out the best in him. So I click here, and right now what it's doing is taking the insights from a personality assessment, such as DISC, Predictive Index, Hogan, Strength Finders, and it's taking about 10 pages of information, and in about 15 seconds, will write exactly what motivates and brings the best out of him. So, for example, he likes a supportive environment. He likes to be innovative and think creatively. He does like mentorship. He wants autonomy. You could also go, for example, let's say he's going to be your leader and he's coming from a different division. You can ask, what is Mark's leadership style? And it will tell you here what you can expect in terms of the leadership style. This is great for generational differences, working with Gen Zs and baby boomers for cross-cultural understanding. And we can pipe into the platform your existing assessment tools like Predictive Index, Hogan, Lominger, and these other tools. In this case, his leadership style is collaborative. He's mentor oriented, so maybe I can ask him to mentor me in a category, in an area I've always wanted to. He's innovative and he likes challenging conventional methods, so I can suggest new ideas. Let's say I want to write one here, and I go into how do I communicate a new performance review to him on sensitive performance review. So I can type that in, hit send, and now it's going to tell me based on his communication styles, motivation styles, and work styles, how best to deliver a very sensitive performance review. And this answer is specific to Mark, like it would be specific to Mary, John, or Javier, based on each person's unique way of communicating, connecting, and resonating. So here it lists out for Mark that I should be direct and clear, enjoy positive framing, I should acknowledge his contributions, and I should encourage collaboration and focus on solutions. So you can see it's a quite powerful tool for delivering information. Let's say there is a Gen Z 26-year-old who just got promoted in the retail environment at Starbucks, and he's now managing 10 different stores where he's never met them. Imagine being able to sit in your car right before the meeting and type in the question, how do I motivate and get the most out of Mark? And I have 5 minutes to get this answer. And so I go in and it's going to tell me what I should do to do this. So it's instant understanding, instant resonance and connection for leaders with subordinates in moments of interpersonal conflict or mentoring and coaching and learning. While it's doing that, so there you see that it's going to tell me clearly to leverage his strengths, set clear goals, recognize and celebrate achievements, foster open communication. All of these things will motivate him. I can also look at common tools such as how would you describe the 5 leadership competency frameworks that many L&D and talent management companies use. We can kind of use ChatGPT and the universe of knowledge and kind of connect this system to those tools. So, for example, how would you describe Mark's strengths and weaknesses through the lens of the Korn Ferry leadership architect model? You could go put that in there, and it will then connect from the cloud all the information around Korn Ferry's leadership architect models and put the answer in the form within that framework for Mark. Similarly, you can look at the top 5 most popular personality tool frameworks in the world, like Big Five, DISC, Myers-Briggs, Hogan, 16 personality factor questionnaire, and do the same thing. For example, as you see, it's finishing the answer around the Korn Ferry model, around the bright side, weaknesses, and you can also do the same thing around Hogan and understand what that looks like for Mark. Imagine also for leaders, you're going to be able to ask questions like how I should best motivate a team. What would train a team like this? You can ask training questions. If there's a group that you're training, what are the tips to train a group like this? Who are the most change-oriented participants in the training? What's the most dominant learning style for a group? Conflict. What 2 members of this team are going to have conflict? If you're a new boss, you want to know that instantly. Who are you going to butt heads with if you're taking over a new team? Change management. It'd be great to know who's going to resist change in this group. Who's the most change-oriented? Can I select to be creative to change a process? So all these questions for individuals, for teams, and then you can see here, it answered the question around the Hogan personality type. So all of this is the next step, the next level of taking talent management, learning and development, leadership training with AI to the next level. In a way, everyone has a personal coach. You get 100% of employees up and running in one day. There's no training needed. It's in their workflows, so they don't have to log in anywhere else. And by the way, because it's through ChatGPT, it's in every language in the world. As long as you ask the question in your native language, it'll respond in that language. Or you can send content like a performance review to Priya in India and say, please write this performance review in Hindi so that you can send it to Priya in Hindi. Welcome to the future of work and how AI is transforming talent development, leadership, and team collaboration. Thank you very much.